Hey guys, my name is Raj and you're watching TMQ channel. What I'm having in my hands here today is the AirPods Pro wireless charging case. This I've waited for like past few months in order to get my hands on with this guy. I already have the first generation of the AirPods. Let's try and see what is the difference between this and that. So yeah, let's unbox this guy. Okay, so this is the packaging of the Apple AirPods Pro. The back you can see it's written here the design of the. I guess they have make it slightly slimmer than the previous generation. And yeah, I think we can unbox it directly. So as I said previously, when it comes to packaging Apple, so let's see what they have done for that. Again, we have the plastic layer. We have to remove this. Okay, we have to remove the plastic layer. Next, we have a beautiful design, designed by Apple in California. And I guess again we have guides and also some documents. Yeah, I don't see any stickers yet. Let's put it aside. And ta-da! We have the Apple AirPods Pro wireless charging case. See, it looks smaller than the previous because like now I'm using that is a bit thicker, this much big, and this is to make it longer and it's slimmer. Okay, let's put this aside first. What we have inside here? Oh, they have given us the USB Type-C charging. Okay, and also the ear tip. As you know, Apple AirPods Pro they have this new feature. They call it as a active noise cancellation feature. The previous one we don't have that. Well, the active noise cancellation feature is where it will cancel all the noise from the outside world, so you can listen to your music freely, and people beside you could not hear what you're doing. They have the sizes. I guess they have two sizes. One is the S size and the L size. We will try this. Let's remove the plastic. Here we have AirPods Pro. They make it looks shorter than the previous version. They already have a ear tip here. I guess this is, I'm not so sure what size is this, but we will try this and put it. Charges this for the left and right. And the back says designed by Apple in California. So yeah, this pretty much looks sleek than the previous gen. So there you have it, the Apple AirPods Pro with wireless charging case right here. We will do a review, as we said. We share this, our opinion, and also a comparison with the first generation of the AirPods. So let's see what you guys think about this guy. For the moment, I'll give it a try and let you guys know. If you missed out our previous video, there's a link in the description which we unboxed the Apple Watch Series 5. So don't forget to watch that also. And yeah, till then, we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.